Can you imagine a world where machines can see, interpret, and understand visual data just like humans? Welcome to the future of AI. A future where artificial intelligence is not just a concept, but a transformative force changing the world. One key player in this transformation is computer vision, a branch of AI that's teaching machines to interpret and make sense of the visual world. Computer vision is here to revolutionize our interaction with machines. So, what exactly is computer vision? Think of it as the eyes of artificial intelligence, teaching computers to interpret and understand visual data. It's like replicating human visual perception but in machines. Now, let's delve into its key components. First, we have image recognition, which is essentially the ability of AI to identify various elements in images. Whether it's recognizing objects, places, people, writing, or even actions, image recognition has it covered. Next, we have object detection. This isn't just about identifying objects, it's about pinpointing their presence and location within an image or video. Imagine a technology that can tell you not only what's in a picture, but also where it is. Lastly, there's image segmentation. This involves partitioning a digital image into multiple segments. Why, you ask? Well, it's to simplify or change the representation of an image into something more meaningful, more digestible for the AI. With these capabilities, computer vision is transforming numerous industries, from autonomous vehicles to healthcare. The advancements in computer vision are monumental, but they are not without challenges. The complexity of visual perception presents a significant hurdle. Teaching computers to understand the myriad of nuances in the visual world is no small task. Furthermore, practical implementation in real-world scenarios adds another layer of difficulty. From varying lighting conditions to subtle human expressions, the number of variables is vast. Despite these challenges, the potential of computer vision in advancing AI is undeniable. The future of AI is exciting, and it's happening right now. There's so much to learn, discover, and engage with. Don't let this wave of innovation pass you by. If you want to stay updated on the latest AI trends, be sure to subscribe to our channel, give this video a like, and share it with your friends. Until next time, keep exploring the world of AI.